Hello everyone, I'm Application Security Team Lead at AppNox, wishing you all a very happy new year and hope all of you are doing very well. Lately, the data breach at JusPay has been the talk of the town. It has been reported that more than 3.5 crore customers' data has been compromised, as per the News Minute. Well, in the case of mobile app security, the numbers are actually alarming. Almost 75% of the app if not even pass a basic security test. 83% of the apps have at least one security flaw. Mobile security vulnerabilities are found in 91% of iOS and 95% of Android apps respectively. More about why the breach happened and how the breach could have been avoided. According to the security audit conducted immediately after the incident has isolated the cause to an unrecycled access key being compromised. The database contains non-sensitive mask card data and card fingerprint hash used for displaying purposes on merchant UI. Anyone who figures out the algorithm can easily unmask all the 16 digits of the card. So please make sure you follow at least the basic guidelines set by the OWASP and other security compliances like PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. In case of JustPay, they should have used role-based temporary security credentials as a more security alternative instead of the access key. Here's a small demo on how to find vulnerabilities in your application through AppNow's dashboard.
Dashboard where you can log in and get access to your account. So this is demo account where we have uploaded 5 open source apps, 2 of which are built by our team. So I'll go ahead and upload a mobile application for performing vulnerability assessment on the app. So we can just go ahead and search for IPA. We'll have DVIA. It's the vulnerable app for iOS. Let me open another dashboard over here. We can upload Android on that dashboard. Once the app is uploaded, the vulnerability assessment starts immediately. So let's upload the Android app as well. So it's getting uploaded. It takes less than a minute to upload. Okay, iOS has already been uploaded. So let's open iOS app and see what's happening. So we can see that, okay, static scan has started. It takes a minute for static scan, and for iOS it's even smaller because they've got limited permissions on the static scan part. So let me start the dynamic scan. So I can select devices over here. So I'll select 10.2.1. There are multiple devices from different version IDs and all. And I can also select phone and tablet. I'll also enable API capture. This is for the API scan. That's the third part of our testing. We can give endpoint over here, but we'll keep it generic so that we get to know what all endpoints are getting tracked over here. So let's start the dynamic scan. Let's come on the Android. Okay, Android has also been uploaded. We see that, okay, static scan has started. Again, it will take a minute for static scan to complete. So it's getting completed. We can see that there are few issues like derived crypto keys, where we mention what is the description of the issue, some business implication. CVSS are globally followed standards, so it's 8.6. This defines the criticality of the issue, and these are vectors that define criticality. OWASP is again globally followed standard for security vulnerabilities. So it's breaking M5, that's insufficient cryptography for as per OWASP. PCI DSS is guideline for any of the company that is storing payment card information. Again, globally followed standard used across all major banks. So it's breaking PCI DSS 3.5 and 3.6. You can see more details by clicking on over here. So it gives some description. Then we also mention where exactly we have found the issue. So these are places where we have found this issue.
Best practices to avoid data breaches are patching and updating should be done in the servers as soon as possible. High-grade encryption should be used for storing sensitive data in servers. Enforcing strong credentials and multi-factor authentication to encourage better user cybersecurity practices. Encouraging users to start using a password manager would also help. Periodic security audits should be done to assess the vulnerabilities, and fixes should be implemented timely. Information security policies should be followed and implemented, followed by periodic checks on the policy. A set of eyes that entirely focused on app security before you could launch for the app could save you from major problems down the road. If you need any assistance in your app security, please feel free to visit www.appnox.com.